A rocking toilet might seem minor, but even the slightest movement means your wax toilet seal's broken. And you could be leaking water and sewer gas under your floor right now. A loose toilet usually means your wax ring failed. Letting water leak can cause mold, rot, and expensive floor damage. Here's a quick test. Press down on the bowl and watch your tank water. If it moves, you've got a hidden leak. Fix it fast with a one-and-done toilet flange repair kit. It seals broken or low flanges, even on wet or uneven floors. No messy wax, no plumber needed. Just screw it down. Lock your toilet in like a docking station. The one-and-done toilet bolts lock to center the toilet and seal for easy alignment. Then simply tighten the nuts, trim the toilet bolts, and snap on the toilet bowl caps. All you need is one, and you are done. Fits flanges from 1/8 above the floor to 1.5 inches below the floor. Guaranteed one-size-fits-all toilet flange depths. No leaks, no guesswork, no mess. Do this quick toilet test, and if it failed the movement test, then order your one-and-done toilet flange repair kit today.